students, in your NCERT math book, see this math magic book. In this book, today we are going to study here this third one chapter, page number 23, a trip to Bhopal. Chapter name, a trip to Bhopal. See here, today Sugandha is very excited. Sugandha is very excited. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. Then Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. Means here a trip to Bhopal and all students are very excited to going on a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. And here Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are, these two teachers are talking about this number of buses. Miss Meenakshi, we will need 4 buses. Mr. Rakesh, I think we need at least 5. Miss Meenakshi, each bus has 50 seats. Each bus has here 50 seats. Then Mr. Rakesh, let us see how many children are going. Firstly, you see here how many children are going to this trip. See here, class given here, number of children given. First class 33, second 32, third class 42, fourth class 50 and fifth class 53. Then total how many children are here? 33, 32, 42, 50 and 53. This class first, second, third, fourth and this class fifth. Then total here 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 6, 7 plus 3 10. Here 5 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 210. Do we need 4 buses? 1 bus can take here 50 children. Then 4 bus can take here 50 into 4. 200. See here total 200. But here only in 1 bus, here how many children here? 50 children. Then suppose here we take here 4 buses. 4 buses and 50 children in 1 bus means 50 into 4. 54 are 200. But again 10 children remain. Do we need these 4 buses? 1 bus can take here 50 children and 4 buses can take here 50 into 4 is equal to 200. So there are a total of dash children are going. How many children are going here? Total 210. If they get 4 buses, then how many children will get seats? If they get 4 buses, then how many children will get seats here? 200. Will there be any children left without seats? Yes, here again remain 10 children. Waiting for the buses. Sahiba jumps out of the line. Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly. Sahiba jumps out of the line and to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them." Then run grab the window seats. Then many children start jumping in this excitement. But stop. What is this? These buses are so small. You see this? All these buses are here so small buses. Now there is an argument. We told you to bring big buses, but we did not have enough big buses, so we got many mini buses. You see here, all these buses are small, these mini buses. Each mini bus can take here 35 students. Then how many mini buses are needed? You see here this big bus, this can take here 50 children. But these small buses means mini bus, and this mini bus can take only 35 students. 35 students. Then how many buses we need? Here 210 students. 35 into 6 suppose. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry 6, 3 is 18, 18, 19, 20, 21. Means we need here this 6 mini buses. How many mini buses are needed? 6. Come on now, get in fast, it's already 9 o'clock. The journey begins. As the buses starts moving, see here 6 buses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in one bus here 35 students, means total here 210 students. Then this journey begins. See this page number 25. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices, and some look outside to enjoy the view of these green fields and the hills. When this journey starts, when buses starts moving, the children sing the songs at their voices, and some look outside to enjoy this, see these green fields, hills, birds. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal, Miss Asha? If we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around here 3 o'clock. That is around here in what time? Already 9 o'clock means we should reach in 2 hours means here around 11 o'clock. Manjit, is it very far? Mr. Bhimson, it is about 70 kilometer. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometer from here. If they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there then before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock. She is asking, are we going to stop anywhere? Then Mr. Rakesh told, we maybe at Bhimbetka, this is about 50 kilometer from here, but before 10 o'clock, yeah, between 10 and 11, how means when we will reach there? After 11 o'clock. As they are talking, this Bahatpur shouts, hi, look at this Narmada. You see this Narmada river. Everyone looks out of these windows. Ruby, oh, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is. This Narmada river is so long and so wide. Gopi, 10 meters. It is much more, can't say. It must be more than half a kilometer. Half a kilometer means it must be more than a half a kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then half a kilometer means 500 meter. Look, it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters, means above, more than this half meter, means more than this 500 meter, means this bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess the what this Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Then I just can imagine this 500 meters. See, our bus is about here 5 meters long. Then imagine that the many buses can stand in a long line on this bridge. Here only activity part is given. See this next one. Next one, page number you see in your textbook, this page number 27. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. 2 buses needed to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in this bus. Then some children have got down to look more closely. Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill, and there are 2 buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about how many minutes? See here. Each bus take here about 15 minutes. Each take about here 15 minutes refill, and there are 2 buses to be refilled. In 15 minutes, 2 buses are refilled in 15 minutes. Here how many buses? 6 buses. Then 2 buses 15 minutes. Again 2 buses 15 minutes. Again 2 buses 15 minutes. Means here total 2, 2, 4, 6 buses, and here 15, 15, 30, and this 15 is 45 minutes. Means here so they stop there for about dash minute, and which means they are late about this 45 minutes. It has such a big tummy. It has already taken here 10 liters, so we have to pay here 3500 rupees for this diesel. Look in the picture and find this price of this 1 liter of this diesel. Here 100 liters 3500, means here 1 liter of diesel price is here 35 rupees. Then as the buses are being refilled, some children go to toilet near this petrol pump. And how much time did Aman take to come out to the toilet? You see here Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. Means here how much time did this Aman take to about come out of this toilet? 15 minutes. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at this Bhimbetka. What is Bhimbetka? What is Bhimbetka? It is a place with lots of these caves and cave paintings. You see here lots of these caves, and here cave paintings made by people these 10,000 years ago. Then 10,000, oh, hundreds years. This cannot even think about this 1,000 years back. Oh, 1,000 years is a big thing, and I can't even think of this 100 years. Then I can think of this 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old, and that means these caves are almost 100 this grandmother's old. Everybody burst into laughter. Ha 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 ha. These caves are about here 10,000 years ago. These caves, you see these cave paintings. Then next one point, next one, page number 29. This tomorrow we will study. Okay, bye.